Not long ago, I turned 41. And if I could sit down with my 20-year-old self today, this is what I would say. Life moves fast, but you don't have to rush to prove yourself. This video isn't just advice. It is everything I wish someone had told me about money, purpose, relationships, and building a life that actually matters. Hi, my name is Davis, and I am an entrepreneur running a pressure washing business today. But in my 20s, I was figuring life out, making mistakes, learning late what I could have learned earlier. So I put together 40 life-changing lessons I would give to my young self and anyone trying to find their way in their 20s. So let's get straight into it. Number 1, start investing early. Even $50 a month compounds over time. The earlier you start, the less you will need. Time and compound interest are the ultimate wealth building duo. 2, learn how compound interest works. Compound interest is your silent partner in wealth building. Do you want your money to work for you while you sleep? That is compound interest. Study it and use it. 3, build an emergency fund before you need one. Life throws curveballs. Save 3 to 6 months worth of your household expenses. This emergency fund can keep small problems from becoming financial disasters. 4, don't chase luxury, chase freedom. Freedom is being able to say no. Luxury fades, freedom compounds. 5, live below your means and avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, don't increase your spending. Build the gap. That is your wealth margin. 6, learn about credit scores, taxes, and how to legally reduce your expenses. Being financially smart isn't just earning more, it is knowing how to keep more. 7, don't just save, invest in ETFs, index funds, real estate, or businesses. Saving keeps your money safe. Investing makes it grow. Don't confuse these two. 8, understand AI, digital tools, and automation. They are reshaping work. The job market is evolving very fast. Stay curious. Learn the tools before they replace you. 9, choose skills that can't easily be replaced by tech, like creativity, strategy, and leadership. Soft skills are future-proof. AI can code, but it can't lead people. 10, money is a tool, not your identity. Don't let your net worth define your self-worth. Use money to build a life, not a persona. 11, you're not late, you're just early in your journey. Don't rush the timeline. Your 20s are the trailer, the movie is still coming. 12, failure is feedback. Don't be afraid to try and miss. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it is part of it. Miss fast, learn faster. 13, stop comparing. Everyone's timeline is different. Comparison steals your joy. Your life isn't behind, it is unique. 14, take calculated risks. The older you get, the fewer you will take. Now is the time to try bigger things. Regret weighs more than failure. 15, learn to love boredom. Discipline grows in silence. Stillness breeds focus. Learn to sit with your thoughts. That is where your best ideas live. 16, your 20s are for planting seeds, not harvesting fruit. Don't expect immediate results in your 20s. Build the roots first, then the fruits will come. 17, don't fear being misunderstood, but fear staying small to fit in. You weren't made to be everyone's cup of tea. Be bold anyway. 18, read more books than tweets. Books deepen thinking. Social media distracts it. Feed your mind intentionally. 19, get mentors, not just for advice, but for perspective. Mentors collapse time. They show you what's possible and how to avoid common mistakes. 20. Journaling will help you to find your voice and track your growth. Reflection is how you connect the dots. Write down to know yourself. 21. Your digital footprint is your resume. Post intentionally. What you post lives forever. Use your platforms with purpose. 22. Followers aren't the same as real-life friends. Validation online isn't validation in life. Focus on depth, not digits. 23. Protect your mind. Unfollow anything that drains you. Treat your social media like your living space. Keep it clean, positive, and filled with things that actually help you grow. If it brings stress, comparison, or negativity, it is time to let it go. 24. Don't scroll your life away. Create more than you consume. Most people consume endlessly. Be a creator, not a consumer. 25. Learn digital marketing. It is a superpower in today's world. Every business is a media company now. If you can market online, you can scale anything. 26. Value deep relationships over large circles. Value quality over quantity. A few real friends beat 100 acquaintances. 27. Learn how to set boundaries. They will save your peace. Saying no is a skill. Practice it often. 28. The right partner will multiply your life, not complicate it. Choose someone who supports your growth, not your comfort zone. 29. Ask better questions. Listen more than you speak. Be always curious, for curiosity builds connection. Listening builds wisdom. 30. The people around you shape your mindset. Choose wisely. Your circle is your mirror. Audit your circle often. 31. Don't stay in toxic environments out of guilt or comfort. If it costs your peace, it is too expensive, even if it is familiar. 32. Find your why. Passion fuels persistence. Purpose gives you stamina. Without it, you'll burn out chasing empty wins. 33. You don't need permission to create something meaningful. Stop waiting. Start building. The world doesn't need another follower. It needs you. 34. Serve people. Impact beats applause every time. The most fulfilling work is rooted in helping others, not impressing them. 35. Start small. Every big thing started tiny. Don't despise small beginnings. Stay consistent and it will grow. 36. The world doesn't owe you success. Show up and earn it. Stop being entitled, for entitlement kills potential. Stay humble, stay hungry. 37. Be more obsessed with usefulness than popularity. Choose value, not vanity. Build things that solve problems. 38. Build for the long term. Overnight success is usually 10 years. Success that lasts takes time. Play the long game. 39. Make your future self proud, not just your present self comfortable. What you do today echoes into your 30s and your 40s. Delay gratification and invest in your growth. Finally, 40. Choose progress, not perfection. Just don't stop moving forward. Keep going. Perfection is a myth. Momentum is everything. You might not have figured out all yet, and that is okay. Your 20s aren't about perfection. They are about preparation. And it is not a race. It is building one stone at a time. And every decision you make right now echoes into your 30s, 40s, and beyond. So keep learning and keep building. And most importantly, keep keep showing up every day for yourself. If one of these 40 lessons hit home, drop it in the comment section below. And if you're building your path, chasing freedom, or figuring out life one lesson at a time, subscribe. This channel is for you. We are building a community of doers, dreamers, and history makers, and you are invited. Until next time, make your future self proud.